Look back on these 4 years, this has been a roller coaster ride. I don't think we must have slept even for one day because every day was a challenge. The biggest challenge was to convince people that what we speak is truth, because truth was the biggest casualty for last 74 years here. People did not believe that politicians can speak truth. Today, when I look back, Alhamdulillah, I am satisfied. People say, कड़वा बोलता है लेकिन बोलता सच है, और यही मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट अपनी पार्टी की है कि लोगों को लगता है ये सच बोलते हैं, लोगों को यकीन है हम सच बोलते हैं। नंबर एक। नंबर दो, जिस वक्त हम गए 370 और 35A का केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में था, हम केस के फाइनल डिसीजन तक का इंतज़ार नहीं किए, हमने लड़ा जॉब्स के लिए कि सब जॉब्स रिजर्व हो, हमने लड़ा सब ज़मीनें जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के लिए रहे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने लाया। कोर्ट डिसीजन हमारे खिलाफ आने के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता हमें कोई देता, और मुझे ये भी सेटिस्फेक्शन है कि मैंने वो किया। मुझे ये भी सेटिस्फेक्शन है कि अगर मैं सभी को नहीं ला सका फिर भी मैंने 2,500-3 हज़ार लोगों को रहा कराया। और अगर कुछ और नहीं है, मुझे टोटल सेटिस्फेक्शन है कि यहाँ जब मैं दिन भर बैठा होता हूँ या मेरे साथी बैठे होते हैं या हमारे 20 डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिस में, we give a shoulder to people for them to listen their grievances. हल हो ना हो, we talk to the responsible officers. We are not in power, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ सहूलियत हमारे से हो ही जाती है। अगर उन अफसरों से कुछ नहीं होती है, कम से कम आधा, जब किसी दर्द वाले का दर्द सुनो ना, उसकी आधा दर्द उसी से ख़त्म होता कि किसी ने सुन लिया। This party has the distinction of that because no other political party is prepared to listen to the grievances of common men जिनके लिए ये खड़े होते हैं। देखो, this is true to their character, true to their what is in their genes. I say they have behaved what is in their genes. Casualties again the sentiments of common people of Jammu and Kashmir.
So final question would be, why do you see apni party in parliament polls and how do you react to the PM's visit?
Look, I tell you very honestly, it's a new party. It's just a small child, 4-year-old child. We're satisfied. Wherever we would be, we'll be satisfied because I cannot say that we will sweep the elections. But apni party is an important player in the political arena of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a reality. This will remain a reality, and this is the only reality. Never called Prime Minister's visit is always a welcome step. Definitely, Kashmiris loud and clear spoke without having spoken there even a single word. They spoke that we stand for peace, and that is what was Prime Minister's mission Kashmir. Now that the mission Kashmir of Prime Minister, that is peace, is achieved, Prime Minister Sahab, we look forward to hearing from you a roadmap for restoration of statehood. Prime Minister Sahab, we look forward towards you for declaration of general amnesty for our young boys, the healing touch, the famous healing touch, which Prime Minister Sahab, we look forward to a roadmap for return of our Kashmiri Pandits. Prime Minister Sahab, we look forward to you using your offices, good offices with the Election Commission for declaring both state election and parliament election immediately.